How to fix your PlayStation 4 system software. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you some of the ways on how you can fix if your PlayStation software isn't working correctly, is not responding, sometimes it gets corrupted and sometimes it doesn't have enough storage or some kind of issues like that. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now the very first way to fix your system software is to simply check if there are any updates available and then update it to the latest version. In order to do that, we're going to scroll upwards to the menu bar section and you'll find this option which says settings. All you have to do is go to settings and you'll be able to see a bunch of these options. Here we will scroll down and find the option which says system software update. So if you want to fix your issues with the system software, you have to simply tap on it and then verify if there are any types of update available for your PlayStation 4. So in my case, you can see I already do have the latest version of the system software installed on my PlayStation. So certainly this is not the issue, but if it does have some updates, install it and then you can come back to this video. Once you have installed your software and then verify if your issue has not been fixed, we're going to simply go to storage and we will see how many storage is simply left on our PlayStation. For example, I only have up to 500 gigabytes of storage on my hard drive of PlayStation. So you can see 257, which means almost half is already occupied and more than half actually. You could go ahead and simply delete any of the games which are not really necessary for you. You could simply see how many applications are occupying how many spaces on your phone, on your PlayStation. So if this likely fixes the issue on any type of system data software, that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, then lastly we're going to simply reset our PlayStation. So at the very bottom you can see this initialization button. All you have to do is tap on the initialization button and you'll be able to see various options on this list. You could go ahead and simply tap on Initialize PS4 and then simply do a full reset. So go ahead and tap on full and all of the users and data is going to be deleted and the PlayStation 4 will be deactivated for any users who have it activated as the primary PlayStation. And you could go ahead and re-log in back into your PSN account and hopefully that would fix all of the software issues you're having on your PlayStation. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.